Imagine a world where the air vibrates with the deep, resonant calls of dinosaurs. These ancient creatures didn't just roam the earth, they filled it with a symphony of sounds. From the low rumble of a brachiosaurus to the sharp cries of a velociraptor, each species had its unique voice. Scientists believe these sounds were crucial for communication, helping dinosaurs find mates, warn of danger, or establish territory. The Earth was alive with their calls, a prehistoric orchestra that echoed through time. As we uncover these ancient melodies, we gain a deeper understanding of how life thrived in the age of dinosaurs. Their voices may be silent now, but their legacy continues to resonate, reminding us of nature's incredible diversity and the power of sound in survival.